John, you were talking about the abundance of GTOs here at this Las Vegas auction. Here is another one of them from 1971.
Yeah, and this is a very rare car. One of 476 71 GTOs that was built with the 455 HO and a 4-speed. And they were proud of it. You see that WC code, you look at those free-flowing exhaust manifolds, that was all part of that 455 HO package. Big Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, the vacuum-operated secondaries, optional Rallye II wheels. Well, there is the 4-speed shifter. Dress it all up in black, and you've got, for 1971, other than a Judge, this is as good as it would get in a GTO, Bill.
Yeah, that was parked on Mecum Boulevard.
Wow.
And when I walked in yesterday for the first time, it's like a magnet just sucked me right over. Wow, look at that car.
How well does that black paint lay on there, Bill?
Oh, perfect. The body preparation and the sanding and the finish work is just unassailable.
That 455 HO, 71, we know that was a down year, compression lowering, tuning starting to go down, but for the time period, still rated a pretty stout 335 horsepower.
I think we're all right. Look at the money on this GTO.
I think we're going to sell it. I got a feeling.
What's up?
Lower left is your consignor. All eyes on that guy with Jesse Kopp.
Yeah. What did that give you guys? I got a clear 150.
That's 160. You got two guys.
Is the best.
170, right? We're good.
Okay, there we go. They hit that magic number. And we say so many times it only takes two guys that want to arm wrestle over a car, any car, at any dollar amount.
Well, you know, other than a 71 Judge, how many investment grade 71 GTOs do we get?
You're looking at it.
Yeah.
And they're not done yet. Look at that.
You said that. We'll have to do 77.5. I think you should do 180.
This would be considered to be the most desirable 1971 GTO other than a Judge.
Yep.
Color, the 455 HO, the 4-speed, and then the condition of the car.
That's the one I would want, man.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, sir. I've got 177.5.
They got 177.5. You give 180 to be yours.
You give 180,000.
Give 180.
177.5.
He's chopping it down. Give 180.
177.5. 180,000. 177.5. 180,000. Last and final call.
180.
Is he going to do it? Nope. Wow, still strong money and a terrific bidder battle there.
All right,
at 177.5.
I'm going to make an observation. $177,500, and both of these bidders, they are motivated to buy this car. And we were not looking at a couple of aging baby boomers that's been traditionally kind of driving this market.
Yeah,
there is
point.
A new market emerging, and I'm going to say right here, right now, the transition to the next generation of buyer is occurring right in front of our eyes.
Yep.
Just saying.
Well underway. 177.5 for that world-class GTO.